careful with that, CSS Man. Every time you grab a tool, something dramatic happens.
This time will be different. Installation protocol. You must put these high up on the ceiling or high up on the walls. 2, you should be putting them in bedrooms or in the hallways near the bedrooms. 3, you want to stay away from like kitchens if possible, not too close so you can prevent any mishaps. And 4, most importantly, you must test that it's learned into the panel correctly and that it's responding back.
Let the viewer see how it works gently.